Welcome to Alpha Online classes. So, in this is a subject of commerce theory part for the English medium first years, and we are dealing with a session that is partnership form, and this is the fifth session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the types of partnership. Okay, types of partnerships, and also we are going to study about the futures of limited liability partnership. Limited liability partnership, it means LLP. Okay, let us see what are these. So, types of partnerships. Partnership on the basis of duration. On the basis of duration, it is classified into two categories. One is partnership at will. Okay, ma? This partnership will continue till the time partners want it. Okay, it will continue till the time the partners want it to be continue. Okay, and will come to an end if they decided to dissolve it. Okay, it will come to an end if the partners want to dissolve that partnership. Okay, it will be completely depend upon the partners. If they want to continue, they will continue. Otherwise, they will end the partnership form. Next, particular partnership. So, when a partnership started for a particular work, okay, when they started with the purpose of particular work, okay, when the work is completed, it come to an end. Okay, when the work is completed, at that time it will come to an end. If you see here the partnership will be started and ended with the will, with the interest of the partners. Here in the second, the partnership is started with a particular purpose, with particular work. After the completion of that work, there will be dissolve their partnership, they will end their partnership. Okay, so that is about basis of duration. Now let us see partnership on the basis of liability. Basis on liability. Okay, liability means we know. General partnership, in the general partnerships, the partner's liability is unlimited. Their private property is also used to cover the debts of the business. Okay, all members participate in management. All the partners' personal property used in case of debt settlement of the firm. Okay, the private property of the partners are used in case the debts of the business is more comparing to the share capital what they have been brought. At that time, their personal property is being used. Such partners are known, such type of partnership is known as general partnership. Limited partnership means the partners with limited liability, they have only limited liability, known as special partners. The partners who have limited liability, we have discussed about the minor. The minor has a limited liability as per whatever the share contributed by him or her in the partnership form. So, the partner with limited liability known as special partner. While those with unlimited liability, the partners with unlimited liability are known as general or active partners. Okay, ma? Limited partnership, in this, the partner who has limited liability, that partner is known as special partner, and the partner whose liability is unlimited, that partner is known as general or active partner. Unlimited means the private property is also be used to pay the debts of the firm. Okay, limited liability partnership, that means LLP. Okay, Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 section 4. According to that, the definition is given that an LLP is a body corporate formed and incorporate under the act. It is a body corporate and incorporate under the act. What it means it is a legal entity separating the partners from the partnership firm. It separate the, how we study the business concepts. First concept, business entity concept means business is different and the owner is different. Yes, accounting concepts ఉంటాయి కదా. సో అకౌంటింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి మనకు? బిజినెస్ ఎంటిటీ కాన్సెప్ట్, గోయింగ్ కన్సర్న్ కాన్సెప్ట్, మనీ మెజర్మెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, అకౌంటింగ్ పీరియడ్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇట్లా we have number of concept. Yes, so in that first concept, business entity concept, what it says, business is different and owner is different. In the same way these also says, this LLP, okay now, this LLP will say the same thing. Okay, limited liability partnership, these also says the same thing. See, futures, limited liability, the liability of the partners is limited to the extent of their shares, only up to the extent of their shares only their liability will be. If there is a debt in the business up to the share capital what they brought, up to that only there will be taken and settled. The private properties are not taken here. Yes, next, separate legal entity, partners and firm both are separate, they are not same at all according to the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008 section 4. Number of members, there is no limit for the maximum, no limit on maximum, but minimum at least 2 persons are required to form the business. Okay, at least 2 persons are required, minimum 2 persons. At any point of time, at least one designated partner should be a resident of India. If 2 persons started the business, among those 2 persons, at least 1 person should have to be the resident of India, designated resident of India, means he should not be NRI. NRI ఉండొద్దు, ఇద్దరిలో ఒకరు ఖచ్చితంగా ఇండియన్ అయి ఉండాలి, ఇంకొకరు ఎన్ఆర్ఐ ఉన్నా నడుస్తుంది. ఎన్ఆర్ఐ మీన్స్ వాట్? నాన్ రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. NRIs, NRIs means not non-resident of India. So among these 2 partners, 1 partner should be, must and should be an Indian. Okay, next, perpetual succession. See, limited liability partnership is not going to dissolve by the death or retirement or insolvency of any partner. Just okay, it will continue. Even if any partner will die, even also it continue. If any partner retired, it will be continued, just like how the companies are continuing. In the same way these also continue. Perpetual succession, it will success for a long period of time. Yes, going concern concept in accounting law, going concern concept untundi. Yes, business will continue for a long period of time, right? Mutual rights and duties. See, mutual rights and duties of the partners with the LLP are grounded by the agreement between the partners. So their rights and their duties that are based on the agreement between the partners or between the partners and LLP. Okay, limited liability partnership, based on that agreements their rights and duties are decided. So mutual rights and duties are decided based on these 2, based on the agreement between the partners or between the partners and limited liability partnership. So not liable for unauthorized act if one partner has done any mistake in the partnership. Okay, it will be not applicable to all. Okay, బిఫోర్ మనం చూసినాం లిమిట్ మామూలుగా పార్ట్నర్షిప్లో ఏం చూస్తున్నాం, ఇఫ్ వన్ పర్సన్ విల్ డూ, ఇఫ్ వన్ పార్ట్నర్ విల్ డూ ద మిస్టేక్ దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి అప్లికేబుల్ టు ఆల్ ద పార్ట్నర్స్, ఆల్ ద రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్నర్స్కి అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. బట్ హియర్ ఇన్ ద లిమిటెడ్ లయబిలిటీ పార్ట్నర్షిప్లో ఇన్ ఎల్ఎల్పి ఇఫ్ వన్ పార్ట్నర్ డూ ద మిస్టేక్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ అప్లికేబుల్ టు ఆల్ ద పార్ట్నర్స్, that particular partner only be punished. Okay, this is about the features of LLP, that is limited liability partnership. So up to here we have completed majority portion of the chapter, right? So in the next session we will meet with the duties and rights of the partnership. So till then you have to do hard work, you have to read, you don't waste the time, you just listen the videos and go ahead. Okay, right, bye.